In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use UPDF. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, how to sign in, and how to find the tools and learning resources that fit your workflow. First, head to the UPDF website. This is an all-in-one AI-integrated PDF platform that lets you edit, convert, annotate, organize, protect, and read PDFs. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button at the top. Click it, and on the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. You'll be asked to pick your Google account and confirm permissions. If a window doesn't appear, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. Use the account you're comfortable connecting with productivity apps, and keep two-factor authentication enabled for extra security. After you're signed in, start by exploring the Products section in the top navigation. Here you'll see options for desktop, mobile, and online. Desktop is ideal if you work with large files and need full performance. Mobile is great for quick edits and reviews on the go. Online is convenient if you're on a shared or temporary device and don't want to install anything. Next, open the Core Features area. This is where UPDF groups what you can actually do with your PDFs. Edit lets you modify text, images, and layouts directly on the page. Convert turns PDFs into formats like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and images without breaking formatting. Organize helps you rearrange, insert, delete, and rotate pages. Protect gives you options such as passwords and permissions to control access and printing. You'll also find other tools here for tasks like OCR and form handling, depending on your plan. Move on to UPDF AI to see the assistant features. You can summarize long documents, translate text, and chat with a PDF to extract insights quickly. For scholars and researchers, there are tools to proofread, draft, and explore references. A helpful tip: keep your questions specific and point the AI to the exact section or page for the best results. If you prefer working in the browser, check out Online PDF. It's handy for quick conversions, combining files, or compressing documents. For sensitive material, consider using the desktop app in your local storage. The Solutions section showcases how UPDF serves different needs: enterprise, industry, education, and individuals. Browse here to match features and plans to your role or team size. Finally, visit Resources. Learn and explore offers tutorials, tech knowledge explains best practices, and how to choose helps you compare tools and features so you can make informed decisions. That's it. Visit the site, log in with Google, and explore products, core features, UPDF AI, online PDF, solutions, and resources to get the most out of UPDF.